Hello friends, welcome to my session. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run C program without installing any setup. That means it is a pre-installed one. You do not need to do anything. It is already set up. It is free to access anywhere. You just need an internet connection. That's it. Let's begin. This IP address will take us to the DCLInabox website. From this website, we can navigate to the OpenVMS Operating System. DCLInabox, this one. Instead of my username, if you type registration, you can register to this OpenVMS machine. Edit sample.c. It is kind of VA editor in Linux. Welcome to Jack of all trades. To come out of the program, you need to type Ctrl-Z to save and exit. To run this program, we just need C compiler. Then file name. If you see, there is an object is got created. Just need to link it. Link obj. If you see the directory, you can see the exe got created. Just run it. That's it. You can practice it here. You can just you need to sign up. That's it. You just need an internet connection to explore on this. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.